Hey loves, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Okay, basically in today's video I'll be sharing with you guys a recipe you should use as a teeth whitener if you want to whiten your teeth. Okay, and we're using just 3 different ingredients. We have our turmeric powder, coconut oil, and baking soda. Okay, you measure a teaspoon of your turmeric powder, and this is your coconut oil, so you measure 2 teaspoons of coconut oil. So this is how it is basically. This is just how it's gonna be. Yeah, it's so simple to make. Just your 3 ingredients and you are done with it. Okay, so you're gonna be using this to brush your teeth morning and night to experience teeth whitening. Okay, take a pinch of this, apply on your brush and use to brush your teeth to cleanse your mouth. Then do this for 14 days and your teeth will be bright and clean. Okay, like this video if it was very helpful to you, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below if you've tried out this recipe before. If it's worked well for you, leave a comment down below, and also tell your friends about this recipe. Okay, it's super effective. Tell your friends about it. And if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, what are you waiting for? Come on, subscribe now. It's totally free. You are not paying money for it. Okay, help this brand grow. Subscribe now, and also turn on that bell close to the subscribe button. When you turn on the bell, you get notified whenever I post new videos. I post videos weekly, 4 times a week. You don't want to miss out on my videos. Okay, so see you guys in my next video. I love you all. Bye.